Hey everybody, hope things are going well for you and your family. Enjoy the cooler weekend with the rain. We're rounding into our last few weeks of the school year and kind of wrapping things up, and we're really trying to get a lot of time for you to do your volcano report and science fair with Mr. Holman. So we've made a couple changes, and I just have a couple quick messages for you to be aware of. First, check Aries, especially for language arts, social studies, math, anything. See if there's any old assignments from before that you can make up, redo, or things to help your grades, because that would be an easy fix. If you have any questions on any of the old ones, let us know. If you're missing some of the language arts things and you don't have the papers like from the one from the K, just write a one-page summary of what you remember of the story, maybe an important part of the story or something that you liked about it and why, and then get that to me and I will count that towards missing work. Also, Accelerated Reader is live, so keep going on that, taking tests, and any AR points that you add to what you already have will be put in there, and that will only bring your grade up. So keep going with that, please, and thanks for the effort on that. Also, thanks for so many of you who've showed up at Zoom. You've been coming every day, asking questions. We see you on iReady working and keeping your minutes up and doing that. So really just an excellent job of staying focused and a lot of self-discipline and responsibility. That'll go a long way towards helping you next year. For next week, a big change. I'm not going to have any wonders. I'm still searching for a Greek myth or two I can put on there and we can read online together and have fun acting out the parts. So keep your eyes open for that one. But on the other side of it, for me, keep doing iReady and AR. And that's it, 150 minutes, about 30 minutes of iReady each day. However, here's the deal for you. If you pass an AR test, one AR test that week, that takes 60 minutes off of iReady reading, and that means that would be out of 90 minutes. So it goes from about 30 minutes a day down to about 15 to 20 minutes a day. So please do that, but remember, you cannot read a Dr. Seuss book or something that's like a one-point book. It has to be at your level, about third to fourth grade or above, depending on what your AR level is. So keep going with that, keep helping yourself out and working hard. Really appreciate that, and we will keep in touch and we'll see you on Monday. Thanks. Oh, one more thing, stay safe out there and still be careful even though they're relaxing things. And remember, at some places, you may still need to wear a mask. I'm just saying. Bye.
Hi there, Paradise Ridge Elementary School 6th graders, Evergreen 6th graders. Mr. Holman here, talking about our work for the week. You're going to notice the amount of things that we're doing this week are really narrowing down to just a few. In fact, there's no more CPM math, so you're just going to do iReady 5 days a week for 15 minutes. So 15 times 5, we got 75 minutes of iReady math, and try to get your textbook back to school. The school's open 9 to 2 every day. And if you need to stop by after that or after hours, let me know. We can have a drop-off box by my classroom. You can drop it off there. Just communicate by email. Our last two projects we have that are really our main focus are volcano reports and science fair slideshow. So our volcano reports, we have several people already finished, and many of you are really close to finished. So keep looking at that example, keep checking in with Zoom, asking questions, emailing me questions. I'll keep editing and we'll get those done really soon. That example is a great place to go if you're unsure about something, and that's where most people get their questions answered. For Science Fair, I'm so excited to be the first ever online virtual science fair. The last week of school, one of your big things is going to be to share that with everybody. So everyone who has theirs done will be there. We have a laser cut award for everyone who participates, and we also will have other awards that people will vote on. So that's why we want to send it out to everybody in the world. Which ones look the best, which one have the best science, and one that's just a People's Choice Award. Those of you who've been tuning into Zoom every day, you're doing a great job. Most people have their slideshow moving along. This week you should do your experiment, and then we'll make a graph and conclusion. The rest is just making your slideshow look nice. So if you need anything, let me know. If you have to have some ideas or some brainstorming, the kids at Zoom have done a great job helping people out who had questions. This is the same as any other week. Do those 3 things for us. Check our website, number 1. Check on Aries, number 2, which includes Google Classroom and checking Aries to see what you have in. And number 3, check your email. We miss you guys terribly. We wish we had regular school right now, but this will have to do. Keep staying safe, and I can't wait to see you guys in person sometime. Take care. Have a good week, everybody. One more thing I want to share with everyone. Just want to thank everyone for keeping up. We do have several people who are kind of ahead and have their work in, and we have invited them to be part of our yearbook staff. You can notice this is the start of our yearbook. Reminder, everyone who has their work in, including science fair and volcano report, and not just in, but have done a good job, they will be printed and given a yearbook for 6th grade. You can see we have some pages for lessons started, and I've got 3 editors that were invited today. So you'll see this yearbook growing quite a bit. We also have folks that are asking to laser cut things, so you can do a design and send it to me and get your laser cut item printed out for you, and we'll come up with a way to get that to you. That was one of the Christmas trees. Here's one of the elephants that you can use as a cell phone holder and a knick-knack holder with our school logo on it. And we have a few folks that have this vase that if you look to the side, you can see a human face. There you can see the human face, there's the nose. So this is a 3D printed vase. It took about 4 hours. And we had somebody who wanted to do the 3D printed OK sign. So that hand was printed out for them. And anyway, just want to remind you as you get caught up and done, there are plenty of cool things to work on. And like I said before, miss you guys a bunch and can't wait to see you. Thanks for those yearbook editors that are there and looking forward to getting a few more as you finish your volcano reports. Thanks everybody. Have a great week.